That's obnoxious. Let's change that out. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be replacing that obnoxiously loud ceiling fan in my downstairs bathroom. Went to Ace Hardware earlier today and picked up what just so happens to be the same brand as the one that's already in it, so that's a win, I guess. So let's break open this box, see what it comes with. Alright, so if you're installing one of these for the very first time in a brand new house, you're probably going to use this entire assembly because there's not one there. But in my case, this housing is already up in there and I'm not trying to reconfigure everything. So all I need is actually the fan assembly that's in here. And so this is a kind of an insert that comes all the way out. Make sure your plug's unplugged. There's these little ear tabs here that go into the side on both ends. You're just going to take a screwdriver, a pair of pliers, pry those out, and then what happens is you just take this assembly out like so. So all you're left with is this shell. What this is what's already up in your ceiling fan. This will stay in there when you pull the old one out, and I'll show you that. And then once you get the old one out, you're just going to pop this one up in there and then plug it in. So what's nice is since I got the same brand, it should all work the same way. So if you did not get the same brand, it may be a little bit different, so you'll have to assess that for yourself. But in my case, this should plug and play right in. Fingers crossed anyway. Okay, since my fan is on a separate circuit than my light switch, all I have to do is keep this switch off for the vent electricity, and I can leave my light switch on so I can see. Now, a lot of bathroom ceiling vents have a light incorporated with it. When you turn that light switch on, the fan comes on too. So you're going to want to have to keep the light and everything off for that, and then bring your own light into the bathroom. But in my case, fortunately, mine's separate. So, lucky me. Alright, so these covers come off pretty easily. They kind of hang down once you pull them down, and you got to reach in here, grab the little clips like that, and pull them all the way out. Then you unplug your fan, just like I showed you guys out in the garage, like that. And then you can get up in here and try not to destroy it as you pull it out all the way. This might take a little bit of finesse with a screwdriver, but it can be done. Come out of there. Yeah, you know, piece of cake. Okay, once you're ready to reinstall it, double check your orientation of the new one versus the old one. And then make sure your tabs are lined up. Stick it back up in there. Line your tabs up on this side first, and then push the other side back up. If you've got caulking up here like I do, you might have to cut some of that out of the way. Make sure your tabs are lined up here in the slots. Same thing on that side of the slot. Then once you've got that all situated, you can plug it back in. And before we put the cover on, we can test it. Oh yeah, that's much better. You can hardly hear it. All right, new cover, nice pretty white. Pull the tabs out. You're gonna squish them down and stick them in little slots, and then voila. That's it, guys. That's all there is to it. If you like what I do on this channel, please consider subscribing and hit that like button for me, all right? We'll see you in the next one.